Assalamualaikum grade 10. Hopefully you will be enjoying your life. Today date is 3rd September 2020. It's my 43rd lecture and day is Thursday. Today I am going to start unit number 7. Little by little one walks far. थोड़ा थोड़ा चलकर कोई भी बहुत दूर तक जा सकता है. वन यानी कोई भी, walks far बहुत दूर तक जा सकता है. It means that we get experiences in our life step by step. We get many experiences when we have go for many jobs or we are engaged to do the different tasks of our life. So we are going to learn how we can get experiences in our life. Paragraph number 1, it's on page number 80. The last couple of years have been a long bumpy ride for me. So the writer is telling his own experiences as teenager. He is in a teenage and he is telling his own experiences of life. He is saying that last few years I have seen many difficult time of my life, as they have for everyone of my age, and as all of my age fellows can face the same thing in their lives. यानी जितने भी मेरे एज फेलोज़ हैं वो भी मेरी लाइफ में इसी तरह के एक्सपीरियंसेस से या इसी तरह की डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम से गुज़रते हैं जैसे मैं कुछ ईयर से गुज़र रहा हूँ. द एक्सपीरियंसेस माइट बी डिफरेंट बट everyone has gone through many of the same teenage circumstances as I have done. So circumstances here mean situations. So all the teenagers can face the same situation as I am facing, but their experiences can be different. यानी जितने भी मेरे टीन एज हैं उनके एक्सपीरियंसेस डिफरेंट हो सकते हैं, लेकिन इस एज में मेरे जितने भी एज फेलोज़ हैं वो इसी तरह की सर्कमस्टेंसेस यानी इसी तरह के हालात से गुज़रते हैं जिनको मैंने फेस किया है. ऑल ऑफ देम हैव डेल्ट विद देम इन देयर ओन वे एंड दे आर डीलिंग द सेम सर्कमस्टेंसेस आर सेम सिचुएशंस टू देयर ओन आर इन देयर ओन वेज. यानी वो अपने ही तरीके से इन वहाँ डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम्स को देखते हैं, उनको फेस करते हैं एंड दे गेट देयर ओन एक्सपीरियंसेस. As a personal participant in this game we call life, I would say I worked hard for the first place and earned it. So as an author he is saying that I am the personal participant. मैं ज़ाती तौर पर इसमें हिस्सादार हूँ. The game name is we call life. So life is a kind of a game in which we are dealing, and as a personal participant in the game of life I have डन वर्क हार्ड. मैंने बहुत ही ज़्यादा सख्त मेहनत की है. फॉर द फर्स्ट प्लेस एंड अर्न इट एंड आई गेट अचीवमेंट्स और आई गेट रिवॉर्ड ऑफ माई हार्ड वर्क. सो ही इज़ गोइंग टू टेल हिज ओन एक्सपीरियंसेस एंड ही इज़ सेइंग दैट एट फर्स्ट प्लेस आई वर्कड हार्ड एंड आई गेट अचीवमेंट्स and I get success in my life. That is just my creative view of things. And he is saying that he is just my creative viewpoint about the things I have dealt in my life. यानी ज़िंदगी में मैंने जो कुछ भी देखा है, जो कुछ भी समझा है, जितने भी एक्सपीरियंसेस हासिल किए हैं, ये मेरा अपना ज़ाती एक्सपीरियंसेस है, ये मेरा अपना तख्लीकी नज़रिया है. It is bad, but the fact is that not everyone sees in it the same way as I do. So he is saying that it is bad that no one is experiences as I have seen or I have experiences in my life. He is comparing himself with other and he is saying that he has his own viewpoint about the life, and it is bad that no one has seen such experiences which he has seen in his life. I hope you have understand. In first paragraph he is just introducing what he is going to tell us about his experiences of life. He is telling us first how he get experiences in academic and co-curricular activities, then how he get job experiences and how he get mature after getting these experiences. He earned money and these job experiences help him to get success in his life. So step by step he is going to tell his life experiences in this chapter. इस चैप्टर में उसने सिर्फ अपनी ज़ाती जो एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं उनके बारे में डिस्कस किया हुआ है, और वो अपनी लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस के बारे में बताएगा कि किस तरह से स्टेप बाय स्टेप ही डू वर्क हार्ड एंड आफ्टर getting her achievements, where he stand now. See what kind of person is the author. So he is very hardworking, very determined, ambitious person, and he has experiences different from others. See the next paragraph. As a student, I am an active participant in academic and co-curricular activities. Academic means educational, and co-curricular activities means नॉन एजुकेशनल एक्टिविटीज़, यानी स्टूडेंट के तौर पर उसने ना सिर्फ तालीमी सरगर्मियों में हिस्सा लिया है, बल्कि जो गैर तालीमी सरगर्मियाँ हैं या गैर निसाबी सरगर्मियाँ हैं उनमें भी उसने पार्टिसिपेट किया है. सो ही गेट एक्सपीरियंसेस and achievements both in co-curricular and curricular activities. And he is a student. As a student, as teenage boy, how he get experiences, he is going to tell us. My first priority was always been to get good grades in school. So what was his first concern? Primary concern was that he get good marks in his school. यानी एकेडमिक्स में वो अच्छे ग्रेड्स या अच्छे मार्क्स के लिए उसने सबसे पहले जो है struggle की है, and his first priority was to focus on his education. Although this is important to me, I also know that my participating in sports and after school activities, I will become a well-rounded student. Well-rounded student means the student who is participating all over, not in educational activities but also co-curricular activities. So he is also focused on his studies as well as he is participating in school sports and other school activities to show that he is all-rounded student. He can get good grades and he can get prize in other school activities. यानी दोनों तरह से वो he is the best student, then he can get good marks and he can also focus on other co-curricular activities. During the past years of my high school career, I participated and received award in the following. So he is telling how many awards he get in his high school. यानी हाई स्कूल में कैरियर में या हाई स्कूल जॉब्स में उसने कौन से एक्सपीरियंसेस हासिल किए, कौन किस में पार्टिसिपेट किया है और कौन से अवार्ड्स जो हैं उसने रिसीव किए हैं. कायद आज़म बैच इन स्काउटिंग